the land octopi, the most beautiful octopi in the world. Looks like Z got up. Uh-oh, it sees me. I forgot these were totally carnivorous. Z now in Z watchtower. This isn't really a tower, but like. So anyways, the common relative of the jelly boat floats. Land octopuses are really huge, which is an unnecessary fact, but also they're quite graceful. Just look at it. Beautiful. They're also a bit clumsy. Ouch. Watch as it flies around, swirling, doing loop-de-loops through the skies. But what's these?
We don't do that. It's gonna be...
It sees the bulbous ball plant. It's food. It starts sucking it, all of its juices, till it's gone. Now that it's dried up, like, now it's just a ball. Whoops. However, it has one natural enemy, none other than the land dolphin. Ooh! What? But Steve, you already covered the land dolphin and the knot snake being natural enemies to each other. Ooh! Well, the land dolphin is also a predator of the land octopus. Ooh! That leads battle. The battle cry of the land octopus. The competition in the animal kingdom. However, the land dolphin is still alive. Ooh! So, what have we learned of the land octopus of the basement? Ouch. So, what have we learned about the land octopus of the basement? First, they are omnivores, eating both animals and the plants. Sea cunt. Their natural enemy is the land dolphin. Woo! And third, they really hate, like Steve.